Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel and welcome back to another video tutorial on Python programming. And this is the OOP class, and this is the 5th class of our crash course. So in this video I am going to talk about special methods that will help you to magically change the output of your objects or classes. So let's simply go over through this. I've created a simple store class with product number and price. Okay, so we will be going through, and I have created two objects of those classes, one of here cream and one of here will, and so we will be doing this. So the functions or methods I was talking about are always starts with Dunder. So what is Dunder? So this is Dunder, double underscore, that is Dunder. Okay, so they simply starts with Dunder every. Okay, so let's give an example. First of all, let's print out one example. So if I do product one, that is object, if I show this object, print this object, then what's gonna happen? Let's see. Let's open the terminal. Okay, so it's terminal opening over here. Let's wait it. Okay, let's quit this. Okay, so cd space desktop, it's in my desktop, and python spatial op.py, and yeah, you can see over here it's printing me this one. So what's this? It's just an object stored in the main. So if it's not so user friendly, so we can make it user friendly with those magical methods. So to make it, there are two of them. One is Dunder REPR Dunder, and you can also use this. And Dunder, another is Dunder str Dunder. Okay, so let's use this. And so what will return if this object is called, this class is called, then we will return what is details of that. So product name and new line, product number, new line, and price. And we will format that with a format self.product number, self.price. And if I run the same command now, then it will print me out the details of that. So let's go through another magical method. So what I was thinking, if we can add this price of the two products. If I do like this, then it will just show me an error. So let's check, and it showed me the error because these two are the store class, object of store class. So how we can do that is simply with Dunder add this method, awesome self and we will return what? So we will pass another argument, that is other. So this is the other, is the right hand side of the addition. So let's do is, what we can do is self.price plus other.price. So if I run it now, then it will return me 60, because 20 plus 40 is 60. So I have seen many of these, there are many of these. So here is the documentation of Python, so you can go through it and check it out. Okay, so here are those, and there is iter and get item, and there are many of those. You can go, and this link is in the description box below. You can go and check it out, all those things. So this was for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys do like, please hit the subscribe button, like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, so that they could know how they can also use magical methods with Dunder and create their own classy looking objects or classes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one.